Hello everyone, hope you're all safe and well. Happy New Year to you all. Right, here we go. Vauxhall Mokka. Now, got a dent in the store here. Some arsehole in Morrison's car park decided to hit the bottom of that door. Now, it don't look a lot. And you're probably thinking, well, it's only a little dent. But I am going to try, well, say I am, I'm going to put the car up for sale. So, I mean, that little dent is turned out to be a bit of an headache, really. But anyway, I'm going to try and put the dent puller on it today. However, and there is a tiny little dent there. But I think I'll be able to polish that. Is there anything else on this car? No, to be honest with you, this one, 21,000 this car's done. It's one previous owner. Obviously the plate's going to come off because that's my wife's number plate. This is actually our daily drive. So, and she loves that number plate. Obviously her name's Kelly, so, but yeah, we're going to get her really looking well. She's a nice car. She's got all the bells and whistles on it. See if I can find the keys. Got me here somewhere. Full leather. All the bits and bobs in there. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, electric seats, cruise control, aircon, you know, all the usual stuff. So, but it's going to need a good valet, and yeah, but we're going to get her up for sale anyway. Not sure what I'm going to get next, but it is a CTDI, and it's the SE model. So, and she's for sale. As I say, 21,000 miles, full service history. Believe it or not, this car was ex-mobility, and the reason why, if I'm gonna, to be honest with you, if I have a daily drive myself, I know you can't really get named too fancy as an ex-mobility, but you know that they've definitely been serviced because it's part of the contract. So then there will be history with the car. So I always like to play safe on it, so keeps her off my back, to be honest with you. But anyway, that's the little car, that's for sale. As I say, just gonna try and, but I'm gonna do a video on that little door, that little dent on the door, and we'll see how it comes out. But there it is. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I've had a little go at pulling that dent out on the door. Yeah, it's come out okay. You can still see it though. So what I think I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to have to take it down to painters and get him to blend the bottom of that door in, because you can definitely see it in the bottom of the door, and it's definitely there, but it's not. Oh, look, do you know what, if it was on an older car, I'd probably let it go, but I mean, I'm going to put this car up for 7 grand. If you're going to offer up the car for 7 grand, you can't leave that in the door. It's just not acceptable. So what I think I'll do is I'll book it into the painters. I ain't set up for it, for this sort of paintwork and that. I just haven't got, well, I haven't even got a garage at the moment. So, but again, I'm still working on it. And obviously this little, I don't even know if you see it, there's a tiny little dent in there, and if you look at it at a certain angle, oh, there you go, so you can see it just here. It's really tiny, but again, you can't you can't really see it, but you can, if that makes sense. Right, here it is there. So again, see, as it is a supermarket really, but as I say, I put the dent puller on, and it did just crack a slight bit of paint under there as well. So I mean, had the dent come out a bit better, I would have definitely used the touch-up pen on that. But as I say, you can definitely see the dent in there. Very, very slight, and I suppose at a glance you probably wouldn't even notice it. So, but as I said, I am gonna, yeah, I think I will. I'll take it down to painters. But yeah, like I said, I've said it before in other videos and bits and pieces. I ain't offering up. Listen, you know what? I'd rather pay a couple of £100. Well, my painter will charge me about 120 quid to do. Look, he'll do this dent on the door down here, and he'll do this wing, and he's mustard as well. So he'll probably charge me, well, probably about 150 quid. But to be honest with you, for the sake of 150 quid, I'm going to have it done, because, as I said, I mean, you can't offer a car up, ain't. The car is absolutely in A1 condition. I know it needs a wash in that, but as I say, we've had the car coming up about 2 years now, and we brought it with 13,000 on it, and it's actually got 20,400 on the clock now, and it's had 2 services since we've had it. So, and it would have had 2 services with the Vauxhalls, as well, but I've got to check the service book, so stamps a bit all up together in it. Anyway, listen, thanks for having a look, and we'll just follow this little journey, because as I said, I am going to put it up for sale. Still thinking about putting it in the auction. I'll have to think about it really. Probably the best place to sell it at the moment, but we'll see. We'll have a look anyway. Alright, thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Alright guys, hope you're all safe and well. Happy New Year. I still feel a bit hungover, if I'm honest. What's the day? I think it's Saturday, isn't it? Saturday the 2nd? Yeah, Saturday the 2nd. So, yeah, it's just starting to recover. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little video on the Mokka. If you'd like me to do a little video actually pulling the dents, I'll happily do it. If you just drop us a comment, or I've got plenty of bits and pieces that I can work on to show you. The reason why I didn't do it today is it was cold. It's been cold again today, and I had loads of trouble. I set the tripod up and everything, but I had loads of trouble trying to get the glue to stick in it. I had a heat gun on the panels to warm the panels up slightly, because otherwise the glue goes pretty brittle, and you just can't. I was really struggling. But anyway, the dent didn't come out perfect, so I probably am going to put it into the painters. I'm still looking for a little workshop for myself, but that ain't going to be easy. It's like having a second mortgage. But anyway, what I was going to say, yeah, I bought loads of valeting bits. So we're going to do some little valeting videos, and then what I'm probably going to do is, once I get a clear couple of days, I'm going to have a really good go on one of my motors. So from start to finish, basically, you know, right down, getting a few dents out, getting a few scratches out, polishing it, making it look really nice on the outside, then giving it a really good go on the inside, under the bonnet, so it's like really like looks the part and ready to go. But yeah, so bear with me. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the little Mokka video. As I say, the car is a 2016 car. and it has only done 20,400 as to yet. So, and it is a daily drive, so the mileage will go up slightly. So I probably, when I put it in, I put it down as probably about 21,000 or something like that. But anyway, look, as I say, drop us a comment, give us a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you want, that'd be great, you know. And I'll just keep trying to put the content together. I'm working on it. I know that, you know, I ain't brilliant at it, but as I said before, I really enjoy what I do. I love working on cars, and I don't mind sharing it, you know. It's yeah, it's fun. So anyway, thanks for having a look. And like I said, if you want me to pull a few dents out, do a bit more polishing, remove a few more scratches, then I'll happily do that for you. The full focus is booked in for the second week in January, so we'll be going down the paint shop. Hopefully he's got a couple of supercars down there, because he does loads of supercars. He does a lot of real refurbishing on supercars, and he does a lot of paintwork on various supercars. So with a bit of luck, he may have something half decent down here, maybe a McLaren or a Ferrari or something like that. And if that's the case, I'll twist his arm a little bit, and we'll have a little look round, and we'll have a look and see what he's doing as well. See if we can get some footage on some paintwork, what he's doing, and some projects he's on. So anyway, look, waffling on again, but as I said, I can't thank you enough for taking the time to have a look at my videos. As I said, I know they ain't brilliant, but I'm aware of it, and if you can give me any advice on what you'd like, how I can improve, that would be fantastic, because I do watch them back, but you know, I just, yeah, if you can just give us a bit of advice, that'd be fantastic. Anyway, once again, Happy New Year, and stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.